Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to paste data as a picture in Excel. So let's start this Excel sheet and you can see here I have some data. Simply select the data by drag the mouse and use the shortcut key Ctrl C to copy this data. Then select the cell where you want to paste this data as a picture. Okay, then just right click of the mouse. In paste option in space spatial, just click on this arrow and here the paste in pictures option available. Just click on it and you can see your data is pasted as a pictures. Okay, just click on it and you can easily drag anywhere these pictures. With this, the picture format tab also here added automatically. So you can use this formatting option also for these pictures. The first is the picture styles. You can use the different style for your pictures. You can see here changes on your pictures. So I select here the one style. So I select this one. Okay. Just click on it and see the picture styles. You can use the pictures borders option also. There are different color available. You can use it for your picture borders. So I use here the borders. Pictures effects also available. So there are some effects option available. So you can use those you want. So you can see the changes over here on the pictures. So effects is showing on the pictures. Okay, there are rotations also available. See the changes on your pictures. Okay, I select this one and see the changes. Crop option also available. You can easily crop your picture. So if you want to crop anything, you can crop it. Okay, so I want to crop this space. You can crop it and just click outside this picture and you can see the picture is cropped. Again, go to the picture format. So here you can manually enter the size of pictures also. Just enter the size. Okay, and you can use this other option also. So this is a way you can use the picture formatting options. So hope you understand how to paste this data as pictures in Excel. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.